Alright guys, so today we've got a bit of a weird one for me. I'm going to be unboxing this package. Hopefully you haven't seen my address. It's from the Non-Sport Clio group on Facebook, so all their links will be in the description. Go show them some love. They actually sent me this for free, so I sent them a Friendship and Fragile sticker. Links in the description, but that's not what we're here for. Let's open this. Now the reason I've taken off the packaging slip, one, you're not going to come to my house, please. And two, we've got a sticker in here from the Non-Sport Clio owners group. So they actually sent me a sticker, as I just said. All links in the description. The Renault Non-Sport. So for the 1.2 boys, we have a house. But let's get into the meat. That is not a thing. Oh! Is there an animal? Have I been sent a hamster? I'm actually concerned.
Oh, it's going to be a mess. The peanut. Oh, we got the first thing. Oi. So the first mystery box. So this is the headlight adjuster. Now I'm not sure if this is a optional extra. I presume it is, but it's got this little tab. Open it up. Bang. USB. That's quite sick. A little OEM Plus upgrade. Packing peanuts. Alright, I found the second. So this is the interior light. So if you know mine, I've changed mine to a purple one, and it's like half light, half map light. Map light. Who wants a map light? So he sent me this. It basically just goes in there, and it's just one big light. So much nicer. There you go. That's how you turn it. Clio things. Now I'm joking. I'd much prefer this, but anyway, there'll be videos on each thing installed in them. So this video was more of just like showing you what I've got. Obviously, as I said, they sent it to me for free. So where has the sticker gone in this absolute mess? Found it.
I found it.
If you haven't already, go and check them out on Facebook. They're like, I reckon they're gonna grow to quite a big group, and obviously I'm in there, so it's famous. No, I'm joking. Don't hate me, but yeah. Thank you for the free parts. He sent it to me for content, and I will be getting content. So as I said, this is just unboxing it, showing you what I've got. Then I'll do a video installing each. You may be thinking, Tom, you've got a purple light in there. What are you going to do with it? That purple light was the worst mod I've ever done. So I'm glad that's coming out. I think this is more of like a bluey white light, which is actually what I've been meaning to change it to. So this was just a good reason. Yeah, it's just, I don't know what to say. It's just good. Thank you for the support, not only from the non-sport group, but from everyone. It means a lot. I've got quite a few small mods coming over the next week, so there'll be quite a lot of videos going back to my roots. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy. If you do, leave a like and subscribe. Comment any suggestions or improvements. I said hopefully you enjoy, but it's the end of the video, so hopefully you enjoyed. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully I'll see you in another one. Cheers.